big breaking news from Jammu grenade blast. Apparently, the person who threw the grenade at the Jammu bus stand earlier today has been arrested. The big breakthrough for Jammu Kashmir police. Reportedly, a man responsible for the grenade attack, the man who actually hurled the grenade at the Jammu bus stand, has been apprehended. He has been arrested. This is coming from DGP Dilbagh Singh. Tejinder, in fact, is going to join us with more inputs on that. Remember, there were 12 people immediately detained for questioning as far as this Jammu attack at the bus stand is considered, which left as many as 30 injured, 1 dead. They were immediately rushed to the hospital. It happened at around 11:53 a.m. In the early afternoon today at a crowded bus stand in the heart of Jammu city. Third in line, first happened in 24th of May 2018. There was a second attack on 29th of December. Thankfully, no injuries were reported. This time it was bigger, a grenade attack at a bus stand in Jammu. And what we are breaking right now, according to the DGP Dilbagh Singh, in fact, we're going to get more inputs on that. One person has already been arrested. Prime suspect has already been taken into custody. We are talking about this. Tejinder is live with us with more details. The big breakthrough within hours. Within hours, this arrest has been made so far. Tejinder, more details.
Yes, the DGP of Jammu and Kashmir Police, Dilbagh Singh, has confirmed that the person who threw this grenade at the Jammu bus stand has been arrested, though we are told that around 12 to 15 people, suspects, they were detained by the police, and now the confirmation coming that the person who is involved, who threw this grenade in which one person lost his life and 33 others, they were injured, the person has been arrested. We are expecting that the Jammu and Kashmir Police, they will hold a press conference. We are told the time has not been fixed, but they will be holding a press conference to give the details of this arrest. But yes, this is a massive victory for the security forces that within hours of this incident, hours of this grenade blast, the main accused who threw this grenade has been arrested. Yes.
Well, the police, remember earlier, Tejinder, they said that the grenade was under a bus at a bus stand in Jammu. And there are some reports also suggesting that those who have sustained injuries are either bus conductors or drivers. Obviously, because it's a bus stand. And now you also, in fact, reported a while back that the 12 people, in fact, have been detained for questioning. One formal arrest. We are expecting a formal confirmation because formal press conference, though this is the DGP himself has confirmed. What more inputs can you share with us, Tejinder, considering a pattern to it? There's a modus operandi to it. This is the third blast at the same place in Jammu city. Bus stand at the target.
Sakal, though the investigation is in its initial stage, but yes, the people who were detained by the police, around 12 to 15 people, they were detained by the police, and out of which one has already been arrested. He has been formally arrested. The DGP of the Jammu and Kashmir Police, Dilbagh Singh, also confirming that the individual who threw this grenade has been arrested. Now it's a matter of interrogation. He will, after subjecting to interrogation, he will reveal his affiliation with any terror organization and why he threw this grenade. He will also be questioned whether he has any links with the past two such incidents of grenade lobbing here at the Jammu bus stand. We know that in the past less than 10 months, this is the third such incident in which now we have the confirmation that one individual, a 17-year-old boy identified as Mohammad Sharik, he has lost his life. He hailed from Haridwar in Uttarakhand, and now 33 others who are injured, they are undergoing treatment at the hospital. Yes, Sakal.
Tejinder, you spoke with some of the eyewitnesses, a little bit more on the eyewitnesses' account and that CCTV footage that you procured.
Yes, Sakal, that CCTV is of the moment when this blast took place. This is the crowded Jammu bus stand area, and when this blast took place at around 11:58, this was jam-packed area. People, they had gathered here to take their buses. Some had just arrived at this place, and at around 11:58, there was suddenly a bang at this very same place, and people started running for their lives. Some of those injured, they were in a pool of blood, and efforts were made to evacuate them. They were shifted to the hospital, where unfortunately one 17-year-old boy identified as Mohammad Sharik, he was the resident of Uttarakhand, he succumbed to his injuries. But now the confirmation coming that one of the accused who was involved in throwing this grenade has been arrested, and now he's subjected to questioning, and it will be revealed his motives, his group affiliation, why he did this, and whether he has any links with the past terror attacks at the Jammu bus stand. Everything is part of investigation, and we are expecting the Jammu and Kashmir police to hold a press conference or come out with a formal statement. Yes, Akal.
Yes, it comes many weeks after Pulwama and just a week. Yes, of course, Tejinder, stay with us. Many weeks, in fact, almost 3 weeks after Pulwama and a week after we stuck those Jaish camps in the heart of Pakistan, Balakot, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. But what is important to note here is also, Tejinder, RDX again being used there and the target being the same bus stand, because obviously it's a crowded area. This was the third attempt. A little bit more as far as the investigations are considered, because you earlier reported forensic experts are at the spot. They are collecting the evidence. They will collate the evidence, nature of RDS, etc. And these are very, very important leads. And what is also very important to note here, Tejinder, you would agree that within hours of this terror attack in Jammu, a formal arrest has already been made.
Yes, Sakal, the police has seen the CCTV grabs that was captured from this place. They underwent all the CCTV grabs. They rounded 10 to 12 suspects. They were detained by the police, and after going through various CCTV footage and the eyewitnesses account, one person has been arrested by the Jammu and Kashmir police. Right now he is being investigated, though the samples from the blast site, they have been collected. They are still undergoing investigation at various places. The samples are being investigated to find out the nature of the blast. But yes, this is the confirmation that one individual who is responsible for throwing this grenade, in which one individual lost his life and 33 others were injured, he has been arrested, and we are expecting a formal statement or a formal press conference from the Jammu and Kashmir police from any moment from now. Yes, Akal.